Hi. I've been testing my CNC machine for a few days now. It works great. I mean, no problems at all. It's quite some problem to decide what kind of axis feed and RPMs on the spindle and that kind of shit going on for various materials, such as different types of wood, MDF, massive wood, that kind of stuff. So that depending also what kind of routing steel you're using. Well, I'm talking about this kind of stuff, depending on what kind of steel you're using right there, rotor, yeah. So I kind of like this very much. I think I set it up kind of, it working very good now. So also I noticed that I've been on YouTube now since I think August of 2006. That's 8 years. That's a long time. Wow, 8 years. I wonder what my first video was. Something crappy guitar stuff, I think. I didn't really get serious on YouTube until maybe, I don't know, 2009 or something like that. So, well, I guess I didn't see the possibilities with reaching people until a few years later. So, yeah, that's kind of cool. So, to celebrate the, I think, well, a little more than 8 years I've been on YouTube, I thought I'd go ahead and use my CNC machine to do something, something kind of like symbolizing me being on YouTube for 8 years. So take a look at this. there you go. It's kind of amazing what you can do with a CNC machine. That piece of art I made there, I made in a program called ArtCam. Yeah, it's called ArtCam. It's basically where you don't really need a CAM program, because it's both a CAD program and a CAM program. So you can basically draw your stuff in there. You draw it when you are drawing it. It's actually vector graphics, so that's compatible with making saving the drawing as so it will be G code. So it's a very good program. I think that's where I make all this stuff that I've been doing for the last few days. So it's kind of cool, and I also know how to make a picture, a vector graphics. So I can basically take any black picture and convert it to vector graphics, and that's kind of cool. What I did was actually I did something cool. I thought I'd go ahead and make a little wooden brass knuckles, or so to speak. I guess it's not a brass knuckle, but this is actually for kids. Yeah, so they can have some fun too, Well, I'm just kidding. I'm not telling people to fight each other. Just thought it was a cool thing to do. A little wood knuckles, I believe. A real one looking like this. You compare these two with each other, and it would look something like this. Even though this is steel, well, aluminum, this is wood, and it doesn't fit my hands at all. So I thought it would be a cool project. I will hang it up on my wall. I will save all the projects that this first one that I do, because it can be fun to in about a few years from now to go back and check what I did, the first things I did with my CNC machine. So this is actually the very first piece that I did, a piece. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. So anyway, I got a split. So take care. Bye.